Hey, I'm curious about this use case. Imagine I took a picture in a restaurant. I want to know what is the recipe for this picture. So here it's a blanquette de veau. It's a French dish. So let's see if Copilot can help me. And I'm not sure. I just, had the idea and I thought, let's try this. So I'm gonna capture the image and ask Copilot, do you recognize this? I'm gonna give him a tip. This French dish. Can you give me a recipe? How do you write recipe? No, recipe for this to be served to 8 people. Let's see. Let's hope. I wouldn't be able to. I need to look on the internet. Probably I'll find something. But if somebody was showing me a dish and I didn't know what the dish was, it will be hard. So maybe you can do that with your phone. You're in a restaurant, you see a nice dish, and you want to know how you could make it. So first, I think it's going to be very complicated to find out that's blanquette de veau. That's pretty hard, especially because it's a French dish. I give him a tip so he can. Hey, I'm just amazed. I'm just amazed, guys. Oh, wow. That's just amazing. If only it was a blanquette de veau. Wow. Just amazing. Hope you enjoyed it.